Hey folks, in this video we continue with the coverage of the ArrayBuffer and the typed array. We continue from last time. We had these three questions. Well, the second question I'll leave it for the next time, but I can conclusively answer the first and the third. This code over here, what it does is in the encode function, it encodes into the array a given string, and in the decode function it gets the array and it converts it back to a string. So it answers these two questions. We assign a numerical value that points to a specific encoding, in this case a UTF-16, and that's how you store characters in the ArrayBuffer. Okay. So it's defined an ArrayBuffer 6 bytes long because maximum 3 characters in UTF-16 encoding. Make it compact as possible. Okay, let's explain that. Okay, so we got ArrayBuffer 6 bytes long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And if you're gonna use UTF-16 encoding, that means one letter is 16 bits long. Alright, so one letter is 2 bytes long. So the view corresponding to this encoding will have 3 indices, 0, 1, and 2, and each index corresponds to 2 bytes in the ArrayBuffer. Okay, so if you have a look at this, the indices goes from 1 to indices go from 0 to 2, so the max characters that can be encoded is 3. Alright, so that's what we do in the next step. Link up view so we can manipulate data. Use UTF-16 encoding. Okay, so in this setting, max number of characters that can be encoded is 3. Alright, and each letter occupies 2 bytes. Okay, so here's a set function. We're gonna use the String.prototype.charCodeAt method. So what it does, for each letter in the string, we extract the character code for it, for this encoding. Okay, I used a for each method for the array. So what it does, for each index in the array, we assign the character code that corresponds to the string given. Alright, and let's have a look at the decode function. We use another for each method, well, for each function. This time it's reverse. Okay, from the character code we converted it back into a string. Okay, so Let's have a look at the demo. First we encode value full A into our view, right? And then we log each content. There's a peculiar point. We stated that the max number of characters is 3, but this is 4 characters long, so the last character will be removed from the operation. It will be ignored. Alright, and then you decode the view back into the string, which is foo. Alright, so let's have a look. So line 33 just outputs the character code for foo, but note that A is the last character. A is not there because it's because 3 maximum character length that we specify here, and when you decode the view you get back foo. Alright, so let's try a different one. What about bar 1 2 3? Yeah, it gives you bar. Okay, I'll link this fiddle to the description. Well, before we go, this is the character code for UTF-8. UTF-16. Let's do something interesting. How can we encode bar to maybe bass? So S comes after R, right? So we can do like this. Okay. Well, we need to change the view, and it's the last character. It's 2. It's index, and then maybe we add 1 to it. Okay. Okay. So we could change it. Let's have a look. I'm expecting here. I'm expecting bass instead of bar. Okay. Here you go. Bass. Because if you look at the table for letter R, here it comes just before S, and the difference for them is just 1. Okay, so they are sequential. So the alphabets A to Z, they are arranged in a table in a way that they are sequential. Okay. It's just a revision before we go. In this example, I've told you that the maximum letters that can be encoded is 3. Okay, and I'll explain why. In line 4, we've defined the array buffer of length 6 bytes, and we have listed it here in its indices. Okay, well, that's not strictly correct because array buffer don't have indices, but if it was integer 8 view or UTF-8, then each character will be a single byte. Okay, and on the line 8, we're defining a view with UTF-16 encoding. Okay, So UTF-16 encoding means each character will be 2 bytes long. That's what it is here. This one is the first index, second index, third index, and this will be our index 0, 1, 2. So that's why the maximum characters that can be encoded in this setup is 3. And you have seen that if I just refresh this, if the subsequent characters after the first 3 will be ignored, okay, it will be ignored. Okay, thank you very much.